The taste of America. Roasted turkey.
Today, we're making the American classic, roasted turkey with stuffing. Start with a large, fully thawed 12 to 14-pound turkey. Finely dice 4 large yellow onions.
Next, in a saucepan, melt 1 cup of butter and sauté the diced onions until soft and translucent. Next, transfer the cooked onions into a large mixing bowl and add 14 ounces of dry stuffing mix. Season the stuffing mixture with 2 teaspoons of dried sage, Next, spread the stuffing mixture evenly into a shallow pan and let it cool completely.
Once the stuffing has cooled, season the inside of the turkey cavity with 1 tablespoon of salt.
Next, crack 1 large egg into a bowl, beat it well with a fork, and set it aside. Gently mix the beaten egg into 1½ cups of warm chicken broth. Next, slowly pour the broth mixture over the cooled stuffing and gently mix until evenly moistened. Next, loosely fill the main cavity of the turkey with the prepared stuffing mixture. Next, after stuffing the turkey, use cotton baker's twine to securely tie the turkey legs together before roasting. Next, carefully lift the stuffed and trussed turkey and place it breast side up on a rack inside a shallow roasting pan.
Next, place the same stuffed and trussed turkey into a preheated 325-degree Fahrenheit oven and roast until the skin turns golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. Next, remove the roasted turkey from the oven and let it rest loosely covered with foil for 20 to 30 minutes before carving and serving.
To make the perfect stuffing, cut 1 loaf of white bread into small cubes. While the bread cubes continue drying, melt ½ cup of butter in a saucepan and sauté 1 cup of chopped celery and 1 cup of chopped onion until soft. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped herbs, 1 teaspoon of salt, and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Stir well. Next, pour the hot butter, vegetable, and herb mixture over the dried bread cubes and gently mix until evenly combined. Next, slowly pour 2 cups of warm chicken broth over the bread mixture and gently toss until the bread absorbs the liquid evenly. Finally, place the beautifully roasted turkey onto a serving platter, surround it with the warm bread and herb stuffing, and garnish with fresh parsley before serving.